Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you something super simple but honestly really useful in Salesforce. So we are talking about default values. We will go with a quick example. I will open my receipt object. So in receipt I need to create new record. If I click on new record, in here I have some mandatory field like receipt date, number of quantity and some field like status. So in here every time I need to create new record, I need to enter the receipt date, number of quantity, status by manually. So doing that again and again, it's kind of annoying, right? So instead of entering the values again and again, in Salesforce, we use some default values. That fields are automatically filled when the new record is created. That's it. That is what a default values does. Okay, let me show you how we can do this. So first, we need to click on gear icon, go to edit object, navigate to fields and relationships. So you need to choose the whichever field you need to set the default value. So currently I need to set the default value for receipt date. So that's why I will just type like receipt date. Open that receipt date field. Click on edit. If you scroll below, you can see that there is a space like default value. So in here you need to enter the formula. So default value for this field I need like today's date. So how to get today's date? In Salesforce we have a one function like today. So this function will get the today date. So just enter that, click on save. Now the one thing is completed. So again I need to set default value for another field, that is number of quantity. I will open that field, click on that field. So in here also I will set the default value like 1. In default value space you need to enter the 1. So I just entered, click on save. So again I need to set on default value for my status pick list. So how to set? I will open my status pick list field, open that field. So in here you just scroll below, you need to set default value like new. So how to do that? You just need to click on edit. Here we have a one checkbox like default. If you click on that, the status field value is set as new when the new record is created. Click on save. Now our things are ready. Now let's check it actually works or not. So first you need to go to navigate to home page, then try to create new record. So if I click on new, so no need to type anything. So currently what happened? The status field is set as new as default value and receipt date taking the default value as 11/4/2026, that is today date, and the number of quantity is 1. So you don't need to enter this fields. You need to fill other fields only. So you just click on save. Automatically that fields are saved with your default values. Just a couple of things you should know, that is the default value this only work for new record, not for old values. You can even set a formula based default, but that is a bit advanced. And the most important thing, don't enter wrong details, otherwise your data will be corrupt. For real-time examples, if your company only works in India, why type India every single time? You just set default value as India and just relax. So yeah, that's it. Super easy, right? Small features but saves lot of time. I hope you understand this default values things. Thank you for watching.